reviewer. Mini Charleston Chew. Chewy flavor, let me see if I can zoom up. There you go. Chewy flavor nougat with a delicious chocolatey coating. Vanilla. Artificially flavored. Oh. I'm not gonna read this long label there. Nutrition facts. And here are the ingredients. It's a bit blurry. Okay, so let's see. Oh, there's something here. So there's probably somewhere where I can open. Aha. That's where I open it. So it's $1. So let's see if I can do something about it. Or I can just open this side too. That's also a solution. Why does this yummy candy always have to be opened so difficultly? Daddy, you do it. They're so small. I mean, I thought it was a bit big, but look at it, guys. They're so small. Let's see if I can pour it on a napkin or something. Well, just pour it on tape. It doesn't matter. Okay. There's a lot. Pretty a lot. Is that all? Oh, there's a few down here. That is. Okay, that was pretty easy. Let's see if I can find that one that fell. Oh, it's underneath my chair. I'll get it later. Okay, so that's a lot. Oh, this one's stuck together. So let's eat it's a nougat, so let me see if I can break it in half. So let me first eat one. Now I get what a nougat is. Can you guys see it? I'm trying to move it out so you can. It's kind of like gum, stretchy. It's vanilla flavor. And my father wants one too. You eat the whole thing, it's bite-sized. This is what a nougat is. Okay. It looks like my father's candy sticks to him. I need another one. My father's looking at me like I'm eating something wrong. Go away. Someone give me a glass of oh, there it is. I said something and while I was talking, the one that's in my mouth right now kind of got, the weird feeling and I coughed it out. I mean, not coughed it out, but kind of coughed. And now he's teasing me. Oh, let's see if I can get this off my teeth. Oh, so sticky. The nougat is so kind of unique. See, it kind of broke it like that, and look how it broke up. It's very yummy, I can say that. I ate the whole thing. Because I wanted to break it up, but it didn't really break out as much as I wanted to. And now I just eat it, so I just ate the whole thing. Subscribe and press the like button. I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Oh, something's sticking out from here.